I'm Leah. I am a freelance designer and I give GIMP 4 out of 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Adobe Photoshop, but it gets expensive to keep for the yearly subscriptions to renew over and over again. Whereas GIMP gives you pretty much the same software for free. It's very user-friendly, so even somebody who isn't familiar with computer design for logos and the like can figure out what they're doing fairly easily, and those who do know what they're doing a little bit more can manipulate the program to accomplish more with it. GIMP is extremely easy. I don't really have much to add to that. It's easy to figure out, it's easy to incorporate, and it's easy to teach if you have a team. GIMP has the availability for you to upload your own packs, font packs, filter packs. If you're going to use GIMP and you want to get more out of it, I would highly suggest downloading packs outside of GIMP and incorporating them for a better experience.